DIY home remedies to combat dark spots. Welcome to Beauty and Beyond channel. Today, we're diving into the world of natural skincare with some fantastic home remedies to combat those pesky dark spots. First up on our list is the versatile apple cider vinegar. Yep, you heard it right. This magical elixir contains acetic acid, which works wonders in lightening dark spots and improving skin texture. Simply dilute it with some water, apply to those areas in need with a cotton ball, leave it on for a few minutes, and rinse away. Now, who knew potatoes could do more than just make delicious fries? These humble veggies contain enzymes and vitamin C that can lighten dark spots and give your skin a radiant glow. Slice up a raw potato, slap those slices onto your dark spots, and let them work their magic while you relax. Rinse off, pat dry, and repeat daily for best results. Turmeric to the rescue. This golden spice is not just for cooking, it's a skincare powerhouse too. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help lighten dark spots and even out skin tone. Mix it up with some milk or honey to form a paste, slather it onto those dark spots, and let it sit for a while. Rinse off and admire your glowing complexion. Now, let's talk about the soothing superhero of skincare, aloe vera gel. It's like nature's band-aid for your skin. Extract that fresh gel from an aloe leaf or grab some pure aloe vera gel from the store. Massage it gently onto those dark spots, let it sit for a bit, and voila! Say hello to brighter, happier skin. Last but not least, we have the zesty lemon juice. This citrus wonder is packed with citric acid, perfect for bleaching those dark spots away. Apply it directly to the affected areas, chill for a bit, and rinse off. But hey, a word of caution, lemon juice can be a bit feisty, so always do a patch test first. And there you have it. 5 fantastic DIY home remedies to combat dark spots and unleash your inner glow. Remember, consistency is key, so stick with it and watch those spots fade away. If you found these tips helpful, leave a like, share this video with your friends and family to help them, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with all the latest tips and tricks for a healthier, happier you. Stay fabulous, stay glowing, and until next time.